Hey guys, if you've been participating in the Maincard Testnet on Telegram and you've been finding the Telegram user experience far from perfect on the app, today I'll show you other ways to access the testnet. Remember, sometimes on Telegram you may discover that once you scroll down, it will be difficult for you to scroll up again, especially when you're buying cards, and when you try to scroll up, you discover that you've exited the app and you have to start afresh, and that may be annoying. So today I will show you other ways to access the Maincard Testnet outside the Telegram bot. There are two ways to do that. You can either do that from your normal browser and connect your Ton wallet, or you access the Maincard app directly from your Ton wallet browser. So the first option is using your browser. So in this case, I'm on Chrome. Remember, in my last video, I asked you not to open the dApp from your browser, otherwise you won't be able to connect to your Ton wallet, and this is what I meant. So in this case, I'm on app.maincard.io. If I try to connect my wallet by tapping on the plus icon here, it will only bring mainnet wallet. So there is no option to connect a Ton wallet on Testnet. But I've discovered a way to access the Testnet dApp on your browser. So instead of using app.maincard.io, you change the subdomain to ton.maincard.io. So if you visit ton.maincard.io, you can now connect your Testnet Ton wallet to Maincard. So on ton.maincard.io, tap on the plus icon to connect your wallet as usual. Instead of mainnet EVM wallet, I now have the option to connect to Ton wallet. So we have the TonKeeper, my Ton wallet, and Tonhub, whichever one you prefer. Let's start with my Ton wallet. If you want to use my Ton wallet, tap on my Ton wallet and it will open your wallet. Remember, in my earlier video, I showed you how to switch to testnet on this Ton wallet. So accept the connection request in your wallet by tapping on connect. Tap connect, go back to your browser, and you can see I am now connected. You can see my MCN balance and my Teston balance here. So now you can perform transactions directly from your browser. So let me buy a card. I can tap on marketplaces, select a card I want to buy, and it opens up my Ton wallet. Tap on send, and you can see the transaction here. So go back to the browser and you can see the transaction is processing. You can hit the X icon to close it, and you can see my card purchase was successful. So I can scroll down and scroll up without fear of exiting the app as it was on the Telegram bot. So you can connect your wallet to my Ton wallet and Tonhub, but the process for switching to testnet on TonKeeper has changed. So I'll be showing you how to do that. Once you're on your Ton wallet, tap on settings and scroll down till you find your about here. Tap on it 6 times and you will see the option to turn on dev mode. Set the toggle to on, but that's not all, because as you can see, I'm still on mainnet. So to switch to testnet, you need to import a wallet. So tap on your wallet drop down here and tap add wallet. Now you will see the option to add a testnet account. So you can import your wallet using your 24-word seed phrase. Once you've entered your seed phrase, tap on continue. Okay, give the wallet a name and tap save. So you can see my testnet wallet, my Teston. So you can visit the Maincard Testnet dApp directly from your TonKeeper browser by tapping on the browser tab, pasting the testnet address, which is ton.maincard.io, and hitting your enter key. Sign in with your Maincard account, connect your wallet by tapping on the plus icon, accept the connection request by tapping on connect wallet, and now you are connected to the Testnet dApp. So you can use the Testnet dApp as usual.
To visit the Maincard dApp, once you've connected it, tap on your browser tab and switch to the connected tab here. So you don't need to enter the Maincard address every time you want to connect it. Once you tap on it, you will see Maincard here. Tap on it and it will open the Maincard dApp. And now you can use the Maincard dApp as usual.
If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Maincard Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. There are other Telegram airdrops I don't want you to miss. There are the X-Blast airdrop. You'll find the video at the top of your screen. The Hot Mining airdrop, the OGC airdrop, the MemeFi airdrop, the Vetus airdrop, the Hot Mining airdrop, and the TapSwap airdrop. You'll find the links to all these in the description. If you're not in any of these airdrops, sign up right now using the links in the description and start earning your tokens daily. So keep claiming your test on from the faucet, buying your cards on Maincard, and predicting on the outcome of sporting events. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.